I want to go over something really quick with you. If you notice that every one of these kits came with this little ring looking thing. This is actually a keyboard or keycap remover. I want to show you how this works. To remove a keycap, you want to remove it from the side of the keycap, which means if you put it on 90 degrees, make sure you're still using the side of the keycap. But let's go pick something easy here. Insert, delete. So if we're going to push this straight down, and you're going to hear it go clink, like that. And so notice what's happening here is it's actually locked onto the edges of both sides of the keycap. And you simply just use the little finger piece here, and you pull up, and it pops right off. So that's how the keycap is removed. Pretty simple to do. If you get the key in the wrong order, not a big deal. Just pull it off, put it back in place, and then click, it comes back on.